My dear students, today we'll see how to conduct SC test on single phase transformer. So if you want to conduct a SC test on single phase transformer, we should have a setup. So this is our setup from which we can conduct SC test on a single phase transformer. So we are having a single phase transformer with a specification of 230 volt slash 230 volt 2 kVA transformer, on which we are going to conduct short circuit test. So during this short circuit test, we need to short one end of the transformer. Usually the secondary side is shorting, and we are applying a reduced amount of voltage to the primary of the transformer. So if you want to conduct this test, we should have some components. So those are, the first one is single phase varac or the auto transformer, and second one is the voltmeter with a range of 0 to 300 volt, and we should have a ammeter with a range of 0 to 15, and we should have a watt meter to get the power consumed reading during the short circuit test. So this is the unity power factor watt meter, UPF meter, because during the short circuit the maximum amount of current is flowing in the circuit, that is nothing but the rated current of the transformer, so that we should have a unity power factor watt meter. So if you want to conduct this test, we need to have the rated current of the transformer, that can be calculated as rated current can be calculated as kVA into 10 raised to 3 divided by V2, secondary side voltage. So we are having the kVA rating of the transformer as 2 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 230. So by calculating this, we will get the value as 8.69 ampere. So which is nothing but a rated full load current of the single phase transformer on which we are going to conduct short circuit test. Now we can start the experiment. So first we need to check the position of the auto transformer, whether it is 0 or not. Now it is at 0 position. So we can start the experiment by switching on the main supply with the help of MCB and push button. Now we are getting supply at the input of the auto transformer. With the help of the auto transformer, we can apply the voltage to the primary circuit of the transformer slowly in step by step to get the rated current in the ammeter. So rated current, which was calculated as 8.69, so we need to apply the reduced amount of voltage to get the rated current in the ammeter, that is 8.69, it is 8.5, 8.69, approximately 8.67. Okay, so now we are getting 8.69 ampere. We should not increase the voltage, we need to leave, and we need to take all the meter readings for the short circuit test. So first of all, we can take the voltmeter reading, which is showing as 22, approximately 22 watt. So because we have selected the range as 30 volt, 0 to 30 volt, so that we are getting around 22, and the current reading is 8.69, and the respective watt meter reading is 73, can take it as 73. So those readings have to be entered in the tabular column. The voltmeter reading is 22 volt, 8.69, and watt meter reading is approximately 73 watt. So like this we can conduct a SC test on the single phase transformer. So we need to take care about the current flowing, because we need to conduct this test depending upon the rated current of the transformer. So after that, we need to reduce the voltage with the help of auto transformer. So it means we need to bring back to zero position and we need to switch off the main supply. So like this we can conduct AC test on single phase transformer.